Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi, it's Monique. I'm here with another video for you all. Today I'm going to show you how to make two different cheese recipes. I have a vegan cheddar cheese sauce and a garlic and herb cream cheese spread. These recipes are both super easy to make, and they both use a lot of the same ingredients, which will make them easier to make. But the ingredients that are different between them really do make a difference, and they make each cheese unique, and the flavors are completely different from each other. So I really think you're going to enjoy both of them. The cheddar cheese sauce is amazing. You can use the cheddar cheese sauce to make a broccoli, mushroom, and rice cheddar cheese casserole. You can add salsa to it and you'll have the best tasting nacho dip ever. The garlic and herb cream cheese spread, I've been obsessed with that lately. I actually just made a completely different batch of the cream cheese spread because I ate all the stuff from this recipe video. But I've been obsessed with it. I've been toasting bagels and spreading the cream cheese on the bagels, having that as snacks, for breakfast, for lunch, pretty much any meal of the day. I'm eating bagels with this garlic and herb cream cheese spread. These two cheeses are also two of the 4 cheeses we're going to use for next week's video when we make the 4 cheese vegan mac and cheese. 4 different cheeses. It's all vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and I tested it on some non-vegans. They loved it, so please stay tuned for next week's video as well. You're gonna love it. But let's get to it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please like the video, save the recipe on Pinterest, and leave me any questions or comments that you might have. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Hi, it's Monique. I hope you enjoyed this video and please give this recipe a try. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I've been obsessed with this garlic and herb cream cheese lately. I've been putting it on my gluten-free bagels and eating it as my first meal of the day or just snacks throughout the day. It's super delicious. I did make this recipe one time and I forgot the lemon juice, and I noticed something tasted different from that time, and I realized I forgot the lemon juice, and when I added the lemon juice it tasted so much better. So I do want to tell you all, don't skip the lemon juice in this recipe. It really makes a difference. And you can also go ahead and dig into the cashew cheese immediately if you want, but it does taste a little bit better if you let it, marinate in the fridge for at least a couple of hours so that the flavors have a chance to infuse in the cashew mixture that you made. And with the cheddar cheese sauce, the cheddar cheese sauce is something I've been making for years now. It is my go-to recipe for my vegan macaroni and cheese. I have tweaked it over the last few years, and I think this is the perfect recipe, what I've shown you here today. The cheese sauce is especially good if you add your favorite salsa to it. You guys, seriously, add your favorite salsa to the cheese sauce. Put it on some tortilla chips with jalapenos, tomatoes, olives, lettuce, whatever you like. On your nachos, guacamole. I might make some of that tonight. But it will be the best nacho cheese sauce you've ever had. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe once again, or enjoyed the video. I hope you make the recipe. And please like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment. It really makes me happy when I see comments. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.